So I got a new phone. I'm so excited. I give up on my iPhone 14 because it has been a lag or something like this since they launched iPhone. The new iPhone. So I switched to Galaxy, my lovely Samsung S23. So I will open up with you guys. So this is the color that I chose. It is kind of purple magenta phone. And this is how it looks. I made my settings already, but I'm so pleased with this new phone. I can't wait tomorrow to test the camera and to see how it films. It is very good at filming and at photo. I read a lot of reviews, good reviews, and like we said, we all know they don't came with a charger. They you can put any charger because now you can use any kind of charger. So it came like this. The size is bigger, kind of bigger if I compare with iPhone 14, but it is thinner with these three cameras and this metallic part. So I'm very pleased with this. I just put some fall themes. Hi guys, so I decided to go for a walk. It is a very sunny fall day. It is so nice outside, not so warm, not so cold, and I want to buy a new dress because the new season is here, and I think I will take you with me to show you what I will buy in this walk. So I want to show you what I bought in the last period of time. I was running out of my cleanser, so I want to try this new one from Kores, an Greek brand with ingredient more natural. This is for detox, and it is just for purify and tone. It has a very good ingredient, and let me see, 88% with natural origin content. So I wanted to give it a try. It has a night pump just to make sure you put enough product and you don't put more. When I was buying this foaming cleanser, I was receiving a gift. This is a Greek yogurt from foaming cream cleanser. This is for all skin types. I want to give it a try. I have oily skin, so this is more proper for me, but sometimes when my skin is more dry, I need to put more hydration on it even when I cleanse my skin. I finished my Kiehl's hair oil, so I want to give it a try to this Olaplex number 7. It has very good reviews, so I didn't use it by now, and I want to give it a try. This is the bottle, a small bottle. It is alcohol free, vegan, color safe, no residue. It has shortened the time for drying your hair and reduce frizz, and also extend color and give your color a nice vibrancy, and it is also heat protection. My hair tends to be more oily, so I want just to put a few drops on my mid-end. This is what I will use only on my mid-end. So this is the brush. It is the Wet Pro brush. I was buying and use for a couple of years their classic version, but now I want to move to their Pro version. So this is the brush. It has plastic bristle, but are flexible, they said, and it is more easy just to grab. They have this rubber holder just to make more easier to use it. So this is all the product that I was buying, and I will try it in the next period. I will be pleased to read your comments if you were using some of this product and what opinion do you have about them. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, guys.